how to import YouTube video in CapCut. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open YouTube on your device and then tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen, and in the menu that appears, go ahead and tap on the YouTube Studio option. Now, from the left side toolbar, tap on the content option you see there and you will be able to view all your content. So go ahead and select the video that you want to download and then tap on the three dots you see there and you will then see the option for download. So tap on the download option you see there, and once downloaded, go ahead and open CapCut on your device and tap on the new project option. Further, tap on the import option you see there on the top left of your screen and then go ahead and select the video that you just downloaded, and you can then go ahead and drag the video to your timeline to make any further changes. So this is how you can import YouTube video in CapCut. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.